Hello, I'm back after a week's break with renewed energies. I just took last weekend off to go away for the weekend and I had a good time. So today we're going to use improvisational stretching again, and we're going to work with full body connection, and that is to manage our stress and to regulate our nervous system. So let's get right into it. For those who don't know me, I'm Katerina, a registered clinical counselor and registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. So let's get started. We'll go and take a deep breath in. Take our shoulders up to our ears and exhale through the mouth. Go into your knees and keep your knees soft again. We're going to inhale through the mouth. Make the exhale longer than the inhale through the mouth. This helps us enter a parasympathetic nervous system state where we rest and relax and rest and digest. So now let's just give our body a little bit of a wiggle. So let's give our shoulders a little bit of a wiggle, our knees, our hips. Let's just gently shake it all out. And if you can involve your neck as well. Always be careful to just go with where your body's at. So don't jar yourself or force yourself into any moves, into any stretches. So you could just gently swing your head from side to side. But if that is not available to you, I would encourage you to either look from side to side or even tilt your head from side to side. And always, always, always consult with a trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. Now, let's make that curve a little bit bigger, again, if that is available to you. And involve our shoulders in that move. Let your head hang heavy. Like I say in another video, we always have our head up to focus on tasks. So it's quite a luxury to be able to let our body hang and facing the ground. I can actually already feel some sensation in my lower back here as well. So it's interesting how that movement already connects me through the spine and goes down and sort of highlights a little bit of tension for me there. As always, there's a free reflection tool in the description box of this video that helps you track your body sensations and your thoughts and feelings that you may be experiencing before, during, and after you do this exercise, to compare how you felt and thought and what you sensed in your body throughout, before, during, and after. So let's give it another shake. Now, I'll show you this from the side actually. So what I was already doing was, like I do in other videos, sort of sticking my tailbone out and the top of my spine. So we're going to use the head-tail connection here through the spine, and just leaning down on our knees, on our thighs, and coming back up. Again, just let this become a bit dynamic. And again, leaning back, sticking your tailbone out and the top of your spine, leaning your torso on your thighs and coming back up. And if you're up for it too, so next time you can either even get onto your tippy toes as well. Place your hands flat on the floor and then just swing forwards and back. Just a little weight shift here. Always pushing my hair back because otherwise it'll rub against the microphone and make funny sounds that could be a bit annoying. So we're just gently pushing our weight into our hands and then back into our feet. So it's a gentle swing while we're also relaxing our lower back, because it sort of gets to round out in this move. It's also very nice for me. If you've seen me in earlier videos, I broke my wrist earlier this year, so I'm still trying to gain back the full range of movement in that hand. So it's nice to actually push a little bit of weight into it and then push back. Again, not forcing yourself into anything, just really working with wherever you are and also with what you need. That is something that you need to figure out and that you will figure out as you go through these sequences. And even here, sensing into your tailbone. And I can feel sort of strength in my legs and my thighs. And it feels quite nice to just stick with this for a while. And let's make this a bit of a crouch, if you can. I'm a bit on my tippy toes here, so if that's available to you. And then pushing your weight into your feet again. And rolling up slowly while your head hangs heavy, vertebrae by vertebrae. And I could actually feel something crack in my spine, in my upper spine just then. I always feel like something's adjusting when that happens. So just really very subtly sensing into those body parts. We won't make this very long because I like to keep this short so you can do this whenever you have a quick break. So let's just inhale and take our shoulders up and roll them back down on the out breath. And the other way, roll them from behind and roll them down. Keep your knees soft. Push your weight into the ground through your feet. Again, roll them back and the other way, roll them down the front. Again, just giving your body that gentle little bit of a wiggle. Just feeling where your body needs attention. Is it your lower back? Is it your sides? Is it your neck? Is it your feet? And just based on that, I've got lots of videos here focusing on different body parts and different pathways and connections. You're welcome to try out any of those other videos or put this one on repeat. And remember the free reflection tool that you can download in the description box of this video. Leave me any feedback, comments, or any questions in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.